Today, I'll show you how to change task colors in Google Calendar so your to-dos are easier to see and organize at a glance. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, how to pick a new color, and what to expect when that change shows up on your calendar. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can see your calendar. Once the page loads, you should see your main calendar view in the middle and a sidebar on the left. Give it a second to finish loading, especially if you have a lot of events or multiple calendars. On the left side, look for the section called My Calendars. This area lists the different calendars linked to your account, such as your main calendar, birthdays, reminders, and importantly, tasks. If you don't see the list right away, you might need to click the little arrow or expand icon next to My Calendars to open it up. Within that My Calendars list, find the entry labeled Tasks, and this is the calendar that controls how your Google Tasks appear in Google Calendar. Move your mouse over the word Tasks. When you hover there, a small icon with 3 vertical dots should appear to the right of it. These 3 dots are the options menu for your Tasks calendar. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with different settings for this calendar. Near the top of that menu, you'll see a row of color options. These are the colors you can apply to all of your tasks in the calendar view. Google usually shows a default color like blue, but you can pick any of the available options. Now, choose the color you want your tasks to be. Just click on one of the color circles in that menu. As soon as you do, Google Calendar will update the color setting for your tasks calendar. There's no save button needed. The change happens immediately. After selecting your color, look back at your main calendar view. Any tasks that are visible on the calendar should now appear in the new color you chose. This applies to all tasks associated with that task's calendar, so every existing and future task will use that color unless you change it again later. If you don't see the color change right away, make sure the tasks calendar is checked in the My Calendars section so it's visible. You can also refresh the page if needed. Once it's updated, your tasks should stand out more clearly, making it easier to distinguish them from regular events and other calendars. That's all there is to it. You've just changed the color of your tasks in Google Calendar, helping you keep your schedule cleaner and more visually organized.